Hi everyone, this is Daisy Margaret. In this video, we are about to discuss Class 6, Term 2, Unit 3, Changes Around Us. Topics to be discussed: Introduction, Classification of Changes, Slow and Fast, Reversible and Irreversible. Observe the pictures over here and think of what are the changes happening here. Fill in the gaps. So from the picture, the first thing I have filled, seed, it is changing state is sapling. At the initial state, at the starting state, it is a seed, and after some time or after few days or few months, it is growing into a sapling. Okay. Think of what is the initial stage and what is the changing stage. What is common in all the above pairs? So you can see here the initial stage of night is day, the changing state of a rock is sculpture, and the initial stage is raw and the changing state is fruit. What is common in all the above pairs? Change. In initial stage it is a different thing and the changing state is different. For example, the rock, it is irregular in shape, and after a change, okay, after some time or after doing some changes in it, it is becoming a sculpture. The same way, the initial state of a seed, it is just a seed, and after some days it is growing up into a plant. So all the things what are all common in the above pairs, it is change. So we are going to learn about the changes that is happening around us and the classification of changes. What are the different kinds of changes? So first we will discuss in detail what is change. What is a change? The process in which something becomes different from what it was earlier. It is the observable difference between initial state and the final state of any substance. So what is change? The observable difference between the initial state and final state. In the starting, it will be of a different substance, and the final state of a substance will be different. So the difference what we are observing in between the initial state and final state, that is called as change. Change is the law of nature. In our day to day life, we see many changes around us. Weather changes periodically, daily or seasonally, seasons changes. So we know that change is the law of nature, and in our day to day life we see many different changes that are happening around us. So the daily change which is happening is the day and night, isn't it? Yes, the day and night, it is happening seasonally, it is happening periodically. And even the seasons, summer, winter, autumn, all these things changes. So these are all the changes that is happening in nature. So change is the law of nature. A paper burns readily while it takes a few days for an iron nail to rust. It takes a few hours for a milk to turn into curd, but vegetables get softened in a few minutes when cooked. When you light a paper with fire, it suddenly burns and it readily changes into ashes. So that will take few seconds to happen. The iron nail to rust, it takes a few days. What is a rust? A brownish or yellowish coating on the iron nail, that is of iron oxide, that is made up of iron oxide. So that is called as rusting. It takes a few days for an iron nail to rust. The same way, it takes few hours for a milk to turn into curd, but the vegetables that we cook, it will be first hard and within few seconds it will get softened. Within few minutes it will get cooked. Changes are accompanied by change in properties like shape, color, temperature, position and composition. Some changes can be observed while some are not possible to notice. Let me ask you a few questions and try this out. Try to answer. What happens when you blow air into a balloon? Is there change in size? Yes. Is there change in shape? Yes. Is there any other change? No. We are classifying changes. So, classification of changes. There are different types of changes observed in nature that occurs around us. Some changes takes place very quickly while others take hours, days or even years. So, some changes it will happen very quickly and some of the other changes it may take hours, days or even years to happen. Some changes are temporary while others are permanent. Some changes produce new substances while others do not. Some changes are natural but while others made by human beings. Some changes are temporary, that is, they are not permanent, while some others are permanent. So, some of the changes they produce new substances and some changes they cannot produce new substances, and some changes they will happen naturally, but while the others some of the changes that are made by the human beings. So, some changes are desirable to us but some changes are not desirable. Desirable is which is useful to us. So, some of the changes that is happening will be useful to us and some of the changes which are undesirable which are happening may not be useful to us. So, the classification of changes on the basis of certain similarities and differences. So, we have 5 classification of changes. First one, slow and fast changes. Second one, reversible and irreversible changes. Third one, physical and chemical changes. Fourth one, desirable and undesirable changes. Natural and man-made changes. So, in this we are going to discuss about the first two classifications, slow changes and fast changes, reversible and irreversible changes. Slow and fast changes. The first one, slow changes. Changes which take place over a long period of time, hours or days or months or years, are known as slow changes. So, what are slow changes? It will take a long period of time. It will take a lot of time to happen. So, that is called as slow changes. It may be of hours, it may be of few days, it may be of years or even it may be of few months. So, the changes which takes place over a long period of time is only called as what? Slow changes. So, let us see the examples for slow changes. Examples: growth of nail and hair, change of seasons, germination of seed. So you very well know that if you cut your hair or if you cut your nail, it will take you days to grow. Okay, so that is a slow change. Change of seasons, it will take few months for a season to change. So it is a slow change. And germination of a seed, it may take even year to grow as a plant. That is also an example of slow change. Fast changes, changes which take place within a short period of time, that is seconds or minutes, are known as fast changes. So what are fast changes? They are changes that takes place within a short period of time, that is within seconds or minutes it will take place, that is known as fast change. So what is a slow change? Changes which takes place a long period of time. If it is taking place within a short period of time, that is called as fast change. Let us discuss the examples for fast changes. Bursting of a balloon, breaking of a glass, bursting of firecrackers, and burning of a paper. Fast changes. So all these things will happen within seconds or minutes. Reversible and irreversible changes. First one, reversible change. Changes which can be reversed to get back to the original state are known as reversible changes. So the changes that can be reversed, that is, it can come back to its initial state, that is known as reversible change. Let us discuss the examples for reversible change. Touch me not plant responding to touch. So if you touch a touch me not plant, the leaves will get close and after some time it will come back to its original state. So that is a reversible change. The same way, next example is stretching of rubber, and finally the third example is melting of ice. So the melted ice can be freezed into ice cube. The same way, stretching of rubber, it can go back to its original state. So these are some of the examples of reversible changes. Let us do an activity. Try to make a paper boat and a paper aeroplane. So this is the activity which we are going to do. Try to make a boat and an aeroplane one by one using the same piece of paper. This means the change of shape discussed here is reversible. So you are making a boat using a paper, and with that same piece of paper you are making an aeroplane. So you are using one piece of paper to do two different things. So this shows that the change of shape, it can come back to its original, that is initial state. So that is reversible. Irreversible change, changes which cannot be reversed or to get back the original state are known as irreversible changes. They cannot be reversed, they cannot get back to the original state. So let us discuss the examples for irreversible changes. change of milk into curd. So once the milk is changed into curd, it cannot be again brought back to its original state, isn't it? It cannot be made as a milk. So it is a irreversible change. So the digestion of food, whatever food you are eating, it is getting digested, so that cannot be reversed or it cannot come back to its original state. It is an example for irreversible change. Making idli from batter. So batter, it is used to make idli. So the idli cannot be brought back to the original state. It cannot be changed into the batter again. So it is a irreversible change. So what is reversible and irreversible change? Reversible change, they can be reversed or they can get back to its original state. Irreversible changes, they cannot be reversed or they can't get back to the original state. So we discussed some of the examples for reversible and irreversible changes. Let me ask you a few questions. Tell me what kind of changes are they? First one, burning of a candle. Second one, piercing a balloon with a pin. Hope you guessed it well. Burning of a candle, it is a reversible change. Why? The candle, when it is burned, it turns into wax. The same wax can be used and it can be made as a candle again. It can be reversed. It can be reversed. It can come back to its original state. So the change happening in the burning of a candle is reversible change. Piercing of a balloon, it is a irreversible change. So when you burst the balloon, it cannot be brought back to its original state. So that is a irreversible change. Summary of the video, we discussed about what is change and we classified the changes. We saw 5 classification of changes, and from that we discussed the 2 changes. One is slow and fast changes. Another one is reversible and irreversible changes. And this is to be continued. The next part will be on the continuation of this. If you like the video, please do like, share and support. Thanks for watching.